Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2014 Mini Cooper, stock number 6864. This ran from the 10th 2010 to the 9th 2016. It's an N47N 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is an N7N 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door 1 dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, instrument cluster, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-stroke steering wheel.